Hi everyone, my name is Reyes. How are you doing today? We're going to start working today in the difference between 1B and 1N. 1B stands for blue black or jet black. Let's see. Blue black, 1N means a neutral. The level 1 means a dark color. So let's start breaking the 1B. 1B, what we have is in the regular 2 we have 1/3 of red, blue, and yellow plus B. That's actually 3 molecules of blue on the formulation. And the 1N we have 1/3 of red, blue, and yellow plus red, blue, and yellow. What it means, the 1B basically it's more blue molecules in it. So basically the 1B, the blue black, has 3 molecules of blue, blue, and blue, and the 1 neutral has 1/3 of red, blue, and yellow, which is a neutral, plus red, blue, and yellow, that is a neutral. So now let's start working with a different formulation. So now let's start working with let's put an example. Let's see, let's pretend that we have a client, she's a level 6. So basically let's do right here level 6, and the undertone for level 6 we have red orange. So we're working in a level 6. So at level 6 we have the undertone, it's red orange, and the regular numbers we're talking about red, yellow, and red. So now we're gonna add into the level 6 on the hair coloring a blue black 1B. I'm gonna be adding to the same formulation 1N. Let's see what we come out with the results. So basically I have 1/3 red, blue, and yellow plus blue, blue, blue. That's in the 1B. I got 1/3 red, blue, and yellow plus red, blue, and yellow. And the neutral, let's start adding numbers on the formulation. So basically, I know the 1B is 1/3 red, blue, and yellow plus blue, blue, blue. So let's add the undertone that we have in the level 6, the exposure undertone. So let's add red, yellow, and red. Let's close this out. So basically let's start adding the numbers. So red and blue makes violet, blue and yellow makes green, red and blue makes violet. So now we have violet, green, and violet. Let's add on the 1/3 red, blue, and yellow that we have right here. So basically let's add it right here. It's gonna be red, blue, and yellow on this formulation. Let's close it. So this one is getting discarded because we added on. So now we have violet, green, and violet, and we have red, blue, and yellow. Let's start working with those numbers to see where we can get on the end of the formulations that we just did previously. Alright, so let's start adding the numbers right here. Violet and red, what are we having? I'm gonna go back to the color wheel. So violet and red, it gives me violet red. Blue and green, it gives me a blue green. Violet and yellow, they'll cancel each other actually. Violet and yellow, so they cancel each other. So we have a neutral. Now let's start working with those two numbers that we have now, violet red and violet green. Let's start working with the cancellation of the numbers. So basically green cancel red as we see in the color wheel. So basically we have a double neutral. So red and green, they are cancelled. So we end up with violet, blue. So so this is kind of the end of the formulation now. If we're working on the And the level 6 on the natural hair color, we added in 1B. The end result will be 2 molecules of neutral, which means it's gonna be really deep color, really dark color. The undertone that we're gonna be getting on the formulation is gonna be blue violet. But since violet is a primary color, so violet goes in front. So since blue is a primary color, we have blue, violet, because blue is the strongest one, so we have basically 2 molecules of blue on only 1 molecule of red. So we break it down, we have blue, blue, red. So we have more molecules of blue, and we have neutral, neutral. So the end of formulation, basically, as I said previously, will be a dark tone, a level 1 or level 2, a level 1 or level 2. That is gonna be a neutral, with the undertone is gonna be a blue violet, more blue than violet. So this is the end result, the end of the equation that we have. The end result is gonna be a blue violet. All right, guys. So we work on the first formulation. Let's start working with the second formulation that we have right here. So basically now we're going to be working with a neutral. Same story, we have 1/3 red, blue, and yellow. That's what is in the number 1, plus red, blue, and yellow. Now we're going to be adding right here red, yellow, red. We close this one, so basically red and red, we're talking about red, red. Blue and yellow, what do we have into the blue and yellow? Blue and yellow, we have a green, and yellow and red. What do we have in yellow and red? Yellow and red, we have orange. So basically we have 2 molecules of red, 1 molecule of green, and 1 molecule of orange. Now let's add the other one. We're talking about red, blue, and yellow. That's the 1/3 we have right here. So let's close the gap right here. So now we have 2 molecules of red, 1 molecule of green, and 1 molecule of orange. And at the bottom we have red, blue, and yellow. Let's start working together and let's start find out the end of the formulation. So let's do red, blue, and yellow. We're talking about with neutral. So let's got this card. So now let's talk about with the other numbers. Red and green, they cancel each other. So we have another neutral. So and the other 2 we have red and orange. So this equals RO, red, orange. So the end of formulation of a level 6, the undertone of the level 6 red, blue, and yellow, and adding this formulation, what we have is a double neutral, which means a dark color equals red, orange. There's gonna be a warm color. Level 1 or 2, warm color, and the other one, which is we have a blue violet, we have a cool tone. So this is the end of the formulation and difference between 1B and 1N. Hopefully you understand a little bit. And the 1B, whatever you're gonna be getting out of it, the formulation, if you apply the 1B, the blue 1B blue black on the level 6 natural, the undertone is red, yellow, and red. A 1B, you're gonna be getting a neutral with blue violet undertone, which means it's gonna be a cool tone. If you add in a neutral, you're gonna be getting an RO, red, orange, and N, double N. The undertone on the 1N is gonna be a warmer tone. Alright guys, thank you. Hopefully you learned something from this equation. Let's keep working on it, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.